Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Today is Monday, April 30th. I am at Easy Wash and Dry in Arlington. This is the beginning of the third week of construction. The other two videos are labeled as such, beginning of week 1, beginning of week 2. I want to show you how far along we've gotten here, and we hope to have this done in 10 weeks, and I'll have videos every Monday of the update. So let's walk around. They've cleaned up the back area around here, and I'll show you that from the inside. Not a lot has been done to the outside yet. That'll come later. All the yellow is where it's marked, where we're going to clean up the concrete, where there's little holes. We want to make sure there's a nice appearance in the concrete. Let's take a look out front. So I told you last time, that sign has to go according to Arlington regulations. And there's the building, and we're going to change the ADA accessibility. We'll end up with a single door here, double doors, automatic over there, and another single door at the end. And as you can see, it's cleaned up inside. The guys are in here now, yanking down that rollback door, and they've got the plywood over here to cover it up for safety. So that's pretty much the update of the beginning of the third week. They're getting rolling now, so obviously if you have any questions or comments, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. All my information will be on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll have an update next week.